Northwest Arkansas, the growth in the medical industry is phenomenal. Seems like a new facility on every corner.
Now the Northwest Technical Institute in Springdale wants to build its own facility. The 50,000 square foot facility is going to be built on the north side of campus.
It is that we're in the middle skill development area. We work with licensed practical nurses, surge technologists, and then a whole listing of other support personnel for medical assisting.
The building would increase the amount of students from 100 to 300. Jim Rollins, the president of NWTI, says the shortage in medical personnel is still evident even after the COVID-19 pandemic.
So it's certainly not just a regional need, but a state need and a national need. The pandemic had its impact, without question, on the medical industry.
He hopes to help local medical industries by providing medical training programs.
I was told over and over by great physicians, by surgeons, etc., they could never do the work that they have really trained to do without a great support team around them.
He says he hopes the $10 million coming from the legislation will help produce and keep well-trained medical professionals in the area.
And it's our goal to prepare that support personnel who can go in and stand side by side with our physicians and surgeons and so forth to help with the needs of the local industry.
With the $10 million and previous fundraising, the Institute has raised $17 million. However, Rollins says to get the building they've proposed, they will need to raise an additional $5 million. Christina Randall, KNWA, Northwest Arkansas News.